Hi, Alex here from Rebeloper.com and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to this awesome tutorial series on how you can use SwiftUI elements in UIKit. And today we are going to talk about text views and customization. So let's jump right into it. Okay, in the previous episode you have learned how to add a text field onto your screen, and let me just build and run here. And today we are going to talk about text views, because text fields are just one single line of text. So there we go. And of course this is a secure text entry. I will just remove that for now so we can see what we are typing in there. Okay, and we are going to customize it once we do add our text field. So text fields, so let's create one here. So let text views rather than text view 0 equals the text view, because I want to use the power of DocUI. And let's set the, let's say the height, let's set the frame for it. Okay, let's see, frame CG size of width and height. Let's say the width of the text field is 100. Let's have this 200 by 300 so we can see this all together. And let's add our debug to there so we can see how that looks. Before we build and run again, let's add all of this. Let me just close this. Let's add this below our horizontal stack. So let's add maybe a divider here, divider, and that will be a vertical divider. And let's add this as a small. Okay, that will be quite right. And let's add our text view right there. Great. Okay, let's hit Command R and see the text field on top and the text view right there. So there we go, we have our hello and doc UI. Okay, and that is it. Of course you can customize the font size and so on, but one cool thing that I want to show you here, and of course in the text field you already have with UIKit a placeholder, but with UITextView you don't have that, but with the text view you already have a placeholder. There we go. And let's see, I am a text view, not a TV but a text view. Okay, let me just build and run again and you will be able to see that's in there. Okay, I am a text view. Okay, now let's customize this, because if we remove the debugs here, you will see that if we run this project again, you will have only the white thing and you don't really know. You have this, okay, the placeholder, and you can tap on it, but you don't really know where to tap, here, there. And we will have some borders. Yeah. So let's go into the text field and let's see. Corner radius is what I want to change first, and that will be 7. And then let's add a border, and we are going to choose the one with the width and the color. So the border should be, let's say, 1.5, and the color, let's say UI color dot gray. That will be great. So let's hit Command R, and with these few methods we already have a pretty awesome UI text field. And we can do that the same with the text field. Let me just try to copy and paste all of these and hopefully it will work. Yes, I believe. Let's wait. Build has succeeded, so yeah, pretty good. There we go, we have a border. Of course you can add in some insets if you wanted to, but yeah, of course, and you can add, and let me just show you that, we can add here a background color too. So background color, let's add in here UI color, let's see, light gray maybe. There we go. Let's hit Command R. and see how this looks like. Pretty nice. Okay, well, it's not that nice, but now you know how you can add all of these. And let me just make these returns here so it looks much readable. Just do this. There you have it. UI text field and UI text view customization. And today you have learned about text views and how you can add a placeholder, because yeah, it is really hard to add a placeholder in a UI text view, but with the text view you can do that right off the bat. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and of course hit that notification bell to get notified of new videos as they do come out. Now it is your turn to go ahead and tweak UI text view to your liking, and of course take a look at DuckUI and all of the resources there, so the files, all of the methods. Go ahead and investigate and maybe give a pull request if you want to. And as usual, I see you in the next one.